YouTube, welcome back to another video. And today got a couple different people out, but we're riding out to get some, I think, ice cream. Is that what they said? Trying to get some ice cream. We got that boy Vic on Ari's bike. Feels really good out right now. Nice and cool out. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a nice ride for sure. Make sure y'all got your Takis for this one, man. I can already feel it as gonna be a banger. Man, the Brock's exhaust on the 25 gsxr 1K sounds so crazy. Scooting up here a little bit. Scooting up with everybody. Got a stretched gsxr 1K here. Freaking sick, man. And then we got the stock wheelbase gsxr 1K. And we've got this jackass mocking me. We gotta get him on the Motovlog stuff. He just bought a camera. We need to go. We need to push Will to get the Motovlog going. I need a co-vlog coming around soon, man. Soon, but everybody too scared to be on a camera. But y'all, man, this light is taking forever. Oh. Tell me how I already need like a new tire. And I just bought the tire. It feels like it was like 2 weeks ago, but I already need a tire. But I do ride a lot too, so you know, it makes sense. But it just sucks, man. I want something to hook. I need something that's gonna hook. But I need it to last a little bit because I do ride a lot. But I don't know what's. Right now I'm running the Dunlop Q5. If you have any suggestions for anything a little bit different, that's gonna be pretty much just as sticky as this was brand new, but lasts a little longer, please comment down below because I need some help. Gotta get low, gotta get low. No! There goes the factory, man. Affiliate factory. Insane bike. That bike is insane. Alright, let's do it. Come on. Trying to catch up to the stock wheelbase bikes. I'm trying to catch up! I'm trying to catch up! Come on! Come on! You can do it! Let's go! Oh, this is me right here! Let's go! Woo! Come on! Oh! Oh my goodness, maybe I shouldn't go back to stock wheelbase. Trying to go on the curves on the stretch is crazy. Oh, he's doing a wheel. Yeah, let's see, he's gonna pop it up. He's gonna pop it up. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's go! We got everybody out, man. So nice. Definitely need a new tire already, man. It's spinning like crazy. You can see that it's like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like completely flat now on top. That is what it is. Look, they're all doing wheelies up there, man. That's what they're gonna do right now, probably. Hey! So we're pulling up at a car meet. Let's see what we got here. It's freaking hot, man. Guess we're following this guy. Yo, what up?
What up? How was the ride? Good?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go ahead, roll it.
Mr. Parsi.
Oh boy, that's Zay with a C6. Yo, that thing is so clean, man. But we got all the Beamers. We got the M1K, the S1K, the other S1K. Ah, right.
Let me tell you something, guys.
But
This shit's so slow.
But it is slow. It is slow. They look so clean right now. We got a bunch of bikes out right now. Let's sneak past over here. Got the Stretch 750 factory. Got a whole bunch of bikes over here. Some random guy revving. Yeah, pretty decent turnout.
Alright, YouTube, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Just, you know, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. And until next time, bye.